we just want to bring awareness to you, right? I think that the first step to change is awareness. And so, and I think you quoted it geniusly in your book where you said, you need to be convinced that this is a reality and this is happening every single day of your life, whether you leave home or not.
There's no questions that we've seen over the past 30, 40 years, huge increases in breast cancer rate. I think you said, what is it?
256% since 1980.
Wow.
In global rates.
Global.
Yeah.
400-fold increase in testicular cancer. 47 million Americans now have prediabetes. 90 million have metabolic syndrome. Obesity is rampant. ADHD, neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson's, like Alzheimer's dementia that is now called type 3 diabetes. When did we start noticing a lot of this? It's the past 30, 40, and 50 years, where after World War II, we tried to create a better world via chemistry. And this is when plastic started. So as the rise of disease is going like this, the rise of plastics and EDCs went like this. Let's define estrogenics. So as you said, estrogenics is a chemical compound that binds to your estrogen receptors. That's simple.